Hey guys, welcome back to another video in Slice of Math. So today we are dealing with finding the area of a shaded region, and let's get cracking. So the problem is, what is the total area in centimeters square of the shaded region if the length is 20 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter? And as you can see, we have been given the figure. And what we're going to do with the image first is we're going to blow it up a little. But before we proceed any further, if any one of you guys want to try this problem on your own, as usual, just pause my video at this place and we'll meet later. For the rest, let's see how we go about solving this. So now that we have blown up the figure, as we can see, let's just have complete clarity of what the dimensions of the figure is. So we have been told that length is 20 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter, right? So we know that area is L cross H, that is length times height. So that would then make it 20 cross 10 centimeter square, giving us area of 200 centimeter square. Okay, now let's get back to the image and let's just cut the figure in half. And when we divide the complete image in half and separate them a little, this is what we get. So now when we look at the two images, we realize that one, they are square. So we have now two squares, and two, they are identical. That is, they are duplicate of each other. What we're doing now is taking one of the squares and rotating them in the clockwise direction. And we rotate this square by 90 degrees. And here goes a rotation. As we can see, it's moving. And on rotating it at 90, this is the image that we get now. Okay, so now let's just take a minute to really analyze this figure. It is clear now that all the red parts can be moved into one square and made into one figure completely, and in the same way all the white parts can be moved into another square and made complete. So let's try and do this. Let's see whether we can actually do that or not. But before we move any further, points to be cleared that an area of a figure does not change on rotation or translation. So even though we have cut the figure in half and rotated it, when we join it back together, the area would still remain the same. Yeah? Okay, so let's start moving the reds into one square and the whites into another. As you can see, I've moved a red arc and a white arc, and then I moved another arc, red and a white arc, and you can see that it looks as if we have a complete circle, a red circle, and in the other figure a complete white circle. And I'm moving the parts of reds and whites that are there at the sides, and this is how it looks like, right? We are more or less there, and here we have it. Now we have a complete square full of red parts and a complete square full of white parts. Now the reason why we're doing all this is because the problem is to find the area of the shaded region. Yeah. Now let's go back to the dimensions of the figure. The length of the square is 10 centimeter. The length of the complete figure was 20. We cut the figure in half, and that makes a length as 10 centimeter. Height remains the same, still 10 centimeter, and it's a square, so it doesn't really matter. The length of the height, it's all the same, right? Area of a square is going to be L into H, or right, or L into L as the case is, because it's a square. So that would then make it 10 into 10 centimeters square, giving us 100 centimeters square. And now we have the area of the shaded region. I hope you like this problem. It was fun and interesting doing it. If you have any suggestions for problems that you would like me to solve, I would be happy to work on them and make videos out of them. So do write to me in the comment section. If you've liked my video, please click the like button. I would request you to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again with more interesting problems and looking forward to hearing from you guys too. So till then, take care, be safe, see you soon. Ciao.